Hi everyone, it's me, Shelley from Cromarty. Hope you're all keeping well. Well, of course, we are getting ready to open our studios, which is very exciting. But of course, it is going to be a little bit different for the foreseeable future. And one of the things that is going to be different is, of course, masks and visors. Now, if you have been following the NHS, you will have noticed they have been doing some really interesting, crafty things to make their visors a little bit more child-friendly and a little bit less scary. So, I just wanted to show you what I have done with ours. So, I picked these up quite cheaply off Amazon. And then today, I have decorated one with some deco rhinestones and some of our patch liners. It didn't take me very long to do, but it just kind of takes the edge off these being so scary, and also is creative, so it's quite a nice thing to maybe think about doing with your visors ready to open very, very soon. All of those things are in stock, and there's also lots of other things as well in our craft range that you could stick onto your visors as well, so have a look online. And then something else I just want to quickly share with you is from our friends across the pond, because they of course are about a month ahead of us with this whole thing, and they opened and they said the first few days of opening were very quiet, but there is good news, my friends. After that they got very, very busy. And they are now pretty much up to 50%, which is, of course, as many as they are allowed to have at the moment with social distancing. So that is great news to know that business is busy over there, and fingers crossed it will be the same for us. But they did say that the studios that have been the most successful are the ones that have been putting on their Facebook, social media, website pages, what things they have in place to keep their customers safe and how the painter pots are going to work. So for example, we're going to meet you at the door, we're going to sit you at your seat, we have social distancing in place, we're going to wipe down your bisque, we're going to take your bisque and put it in front of you. You know, we have antibacterial wipes, etc., etc. Just to make sure that our customers feel as safe as possible. So just something to think about as you are getting ready to open. These are things that you may wish to incorporate onto your social media platforms for your customers going forward. I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, then do give us a call or an email. We'd love to speak to you, and keep safe and